We practice what we preach. We preach chiropractic, we preach the Jones technique. We need it as well. So
That's
Mike
right.
and I can help each other out,
Mhm.
and it helps me with my practice, it helps me with my patients, and helps me with life.
Yeah, no question. We've been doing this for years. And out. Nice. Adjusting each other, and I couldn't practice without it. So yeah, everything's on the right today. Everything's on the right today. You're all right, Frank. When I do that, does it make the pain go away?
Yeah.
Rest the other half of the day. You're going to need to rest after this one anyway. Looking for pain there? And when I do that, does it go away?
Yes.
All right. Zone 3 clearing for Dr. Frank. Big breath. There we go. All right. We'll let that marinate for just a second. So you can just see the stress melting right off your bod.
Absolutely. I needed that.
Yeah.